Hey friends, I'm Catherine and today I wanted to show you how to make a sleeve for some chopsticks. I like to keep my chopsticks in pairs in my drawer. That way I don't end up reaching in and grabbing ones that don't match. I know it sounds silly, but I feel like it's important that they match. I was looking for a video on how to do a chopstick sleeve from a single piece of origami paper that didn't require cutting or glue or anything, because I've shown you one before, but it needed cutting and glue to do it. And I found one that looks like this. But my problem with this one is that if you put a pair of chopsticks in it, they're still sticking like halfway out. And I want them to be covered up to about like here, you know? So that wasn't gonna work. So I played around with some paper for a little bit and figured out that I wanted a chopstick holder that was folded on the diagonal. This one is folded on the diagonal. Well, no, actually this one is folded square. But I wanted one that was folded on the diagonal, which would give me the extra length that I wanted from the sleeve to cover the chopsticks. So I started playing around with folding things on the diagonal to see if I could get something that was reasonable. And it took me a couple of tries, but I came up with something that I liked and that I thought worked. And is pretty simple and fast and easy to do. It doesn't require any scissors or tape, though it does have a elective glue part. If you want to use glue, you can. But that is how you do it. And then you can take your chopsticks and set them inside of it. And they aren't sticking halfway out. Anyway, if you want to, you can take a little bit of glue and stick that flap down, but it will stay on its own even if you don't. And that is my new design on a chopstick sleeve. If you liked it, definitely let me know. I'm always glad to hear from you. And remember to subscribe, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye!